Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're going to be working on our reading. So everybody pull out your packets and let's look at your calendar. So everybody go ahead and look at your calendar and let's look at the day for Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Do not worry about the other worksheets. So let's everybody turn to our page where we have that second calendar. And that second calendar says, Social Skills Reader, my new shelf. I think it's shelf, page 77 to 84. So that's going to be right here. Let's see, 77 to 84. Give me 1 second. So 77 to 84. I'm so sorry. Let me go ahead and let me see, page 77 to 84. We already did this one. This one we don't have to do. Right here. So everybody go ahead and find your worksheet in your packet that says my new shelf. It should look like this. So let's begin. Marie is making a new shelf to put nice things on. Where do you put your things? So we have an emotion dictionary. We have annoyed, which means a little angry or upset. So go ahead and look at the expression on her face. Sore means painful. My arm is sore from bowling. So that's just an example. So look at his expression. Stressed. Stressed means pressured. An example can be, I am feeling stressed about my job. Satisfied means feeling pleased about a success. An example is, I am satisfied with the birdhouse I made. I have a problem with my shelf. I'm trying to build a little shelf. I have been following the directions and it was going great. Now there's a problem. The bottom shelf is too big. I have to cut it to make it fit. How do I feel? Do I feel excited? Do I feel proud? Or do I feel annoyed? Choose the best answer. Great job. Let's go to the next one. Ouch! This morning I hit my thumb with a hammer. I wrapped it up to protect it. It was harder to make the shelf when I can't use all my fingers. I keep banging my thumb on the table. Even with the bandage on, it hurts. How do I feel? Do I feel satisfied? Do I feel sore? Or do I feel surprised? Answer the question. Great job. Too much to do. The shelf is finally done and I'm ready to paint it. It took a lot longer than I thought it would. It was already past 4:30 in the afternoon. I want to finish it before my granddaughter gets here. But I have to make dinner too, and it's very late. How do I feel? Do I feel proud? Do I feel happy? Or am I stressed? Choose the best answer. Awesome job. Job well done. Ted is making dinner so I can keep working. I have time to paint, and the paint has time to dry. Now I have a place for my granddaughter's soccer trophy. She will be so happy to see it there. I think the shelf looks beautiful. How do I feel? Do I feel satisfied? Do I feel annoyed? Or do I feel startled? Choose the best answer. Great job. So let's go on to this next worksheet. Connect the face to the feeling. So here you have sore, satisfied, excited, annoyed, and stressed. So I want you to connect or match the face to the feeling. What do you think? Why does Marie feel stressed looking at the clock? So I want you to write at least one sentence with 3 to 4 words. Why did Marie feel stressed looking at the clock? And next, two of these people feel stressed. Can you find them? Which two feel stressed? When you are done, please take a picture of your assignment and submit it to the teacher for a grade. And if you have any questions, please let me know or let your teacher know. Good luck!